So hi awesome ones, today I've got a great video for you. It's how to look classier and chic and really kind of update your wardrobe. And you know what the best part about it is? You can really shop your closet for a lot of these looks. So really excited to show this to you. Let's get started with tip number 1. First, let's start with an easy one. This one you could probably build from your wardrobe. It's the classic white and black combination. Here I have a casual look that still looks classy and chic with its black top, white pants, and stretchy belt. And yes, you can wear white after Labor Day, especially if it's a warmer day. And let's look at another more dressed up look. This one has a white blazer over a black top and a black pencil skirt, and I'm wearing tights just in case it's a cooler day, plus a pair of my Ray-Bans and ankle boots. And as usual, if you find that you want to get an item or two for your wardrobe, many of the fashions are going to be underneath the video description and also in the comments. All right, so let's take a look at the outfits for tip number 2. My tip is to make sure that you have a classic coat available. This is an example from Calvin Klein of a trench coat that can be used rain or shine. The removable hood comes in handy, but it doesn't take away from the classic trench look. And if you need more warmth on those cold days, this wool and cashmere camel color coat, it's also from Calvin Klein, and it will last for years. It's a classic that goes with almost everything, and the black leather gloves and Ray-Bans finish the look. The next item that I'm featuring is certainly a wonderful addition to kind of add the class to your wardrobe. And this silky style shirt that I'm about to show you in 2 different colors, they're available from Amazon right now and they're less than $30. So let's take a look. Here I have a silky style shirt that adds a little something something to any look, especially if you're going for a business style look. Here I have it in green, which is also a trending color, and it just adds that little bit of class. I also bought this great shirt in white, and it goes great with a pair of dark wash jeans. You can even tie it in the front. It still does look classy if you want to hide your tummy a bit. And next, let's take a look at jewelry. A daintier style is really trending right now, and I think it really does have that touch of class. I think it's nicer than those really bold, heavier kind of jewelry items, and let's just see what I mean here. This dainty look of tiered necklaces is so beautiful, and I see them mostly in gold or gold-plated. It just adds that delicate touch of class to your neckline. Another piece of jewelry that's trending right now are hoop earrings, and of course a gold finish. This pair is delicate and not too over the top. And as most of you know, doing videos like this is now my full-time job, and I just love searching and bringing you new ideas for fashion and skincare and makeup. And if you're not a subscriber, I would love for you to join us here. We have a great community. And also, are you joining me on my live events? They're at amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50, and they're every Wednesday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we just kind of hang out like girlfriends, and we browse items and we chat, and it's really a lot of fun. And if you miss it, the reruns are also there at amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50. But you know what? There's so much fun. They're really a lot better live. All right, so let's go on to the next tip. So next, let's talk about handbags and purses. This big, bulky purse, it really takes away from the outfit, whereas a smaller purse like this one, it looks classy and chic. And even for a more casual look, this smaller crossbody purse, this one happens to be from Fossil, it really looks lovely. It's slimmer and it doesn't take away from your outfit. Now I gotta admit, sometimes we do need a bigger purse. I just went traveling and I had the big purse like this. Yeah, I wanted to have an umbrella in there. I wanted to have some snacks. I wanted to have, of course, my passports and all the papers that I needed. But what I do with this bigger purse is I just put, let me see if I can get it out here. I just put my littler purse inside, and this has got my wallet inside and my phone and everything. And that way when I'm, want to just have my little purse, it's just always at the ready. All right, so for my next tips and outfits, I wanted to show you actually two color combinations that are classics. First, let's take a look at a neutral palette with this brown and black striped shirt. You can't go wrong using this color combination, and the shirt is stretchy, and also the taupe pants are also stretchy, so this makes it a classic look and super comfy to wear. Another classic look is the almost nautical white and navy palette. Again, the top and the pants have that stretch to them, so they're super comfy, and a clean pair of sneakers like these leather ones from Keds finish the look. Now, although this video showed a lot of elegant, kind of classy color combinations, don't forget to have some fun with your wardrobe. I just ordered a Barbie pink blazer. The new movie's coming out and I'm just seeing all these celebrities wearing Barbie pink. So I thought to myself, you know what? I'm going to order one, and I'm going to add it to my wardrobe where I have reds and oranges and yellows. And of course, if I like this Barbie pink blazer, I'm going to be sure to show it to you. So whether your day has a classic or a fun flair, the most important thing is that you're getting out of a style rut. And I gotta tell you, I look at the comments, I can't see all of them, but I am just so happy when somebody tells me that they got out of a style rut and they're feeling really good about the way that they're looking. And a lot of you are even getting compliments on your looks, and it just makes me so happy. So what I'm gonna say here right now is go ahead and style up some of those classic looks, style up some of those fun looks, and most of all, keep it awesome.